how to troubleshoot on Epic Games PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find and troubleshoot on Epic Games easily. First thing, go to Epic Games. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go and click on Unreal Engine option right here and go down to settings. Now after you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page. Now on this page, all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just scroll down like this until you find troubleshoot option and click on it like this. Now as you can see, it started troubleshooting like this. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.